one's still a little touchy, like way in here on this side.
Okay.
But doesn't feel as touchy as last time, and I noticed this grew out a little bit. I didn't cut them or anything since I've been here. You know, I just let it.
Yep.
Let it go. Last time he dropped me off, he went to that.
If you're new here, welcome! Please subscribe and click the bell to turn on your notifications to know when I upload my weekly video and be notified if your comment got the most likes and will be featured in an upcoming video.
I said, oh, because there was a grocery store I went to last time just to get to use the bathroom too, you know. So we stumbled across that place and he said, oh, I like it, so. He likes to find cheeses and stuff like that, so maybe that's... What did I hear you say?
Because we had to drive quite a bit, yeah, where we went.
Yeah, that's the one that's usually sore.
This side?
Yeah. Last time it was kind of like jerking, but it just... Maybe it grew out a little bit, so it won't.
We'll cut this side first, then.
Oh, see, last time it was painful. Now it's not. I think it just has to hit a nerve or something.
I think it was pushing into your skin last time.
Yeah, because I have not cut, like I said, in years. And when it grows out, I'm not sure how to cut it. Well, you know, but then again, with my leg, I couldn't lean forward and look under.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's getting a little bit better for me, but...
Was it December when I saw you last?
It was 6 weeks ago. No, it was 6 weeks ago. Now, as that grows out, I mean, you cut it like curved ways. And, right, you cut it like curved ways. And then as that flattens out, it should continue.
As this flattens out, you know, your sides will lift up and the top will go down. It'll reattach to the skin.
Reattach to it.
Yeah, as we get all of this out from underneath there. And you shouldn't have any more pain from now on.
Did you stay at a hotel or a B&B?
This skin is what the body produces to form a protective barrier between the nail that is pressing into the skin too hard. You have to be careful if you try to remove this skin to make room for the nail grooves, because you can open up the skin. So be very careful and move very slowly to allow it to separate. Yeah, we can never be gone for very long.
It's a family vacation.
No, Bruce and I just got away for the weekend.
Oh my gosh, nice. You know that I can really feel, but I'm not like jumping around like last time.
That's good that you can feel it. That means that it's not scar tissue on your nail bed.
Oh, okay.
So if it feels a little bit vulnerable, like it's
Yeah.
supposed to be covered, but it's not,
Mm-hmm.
that means it'll reattach as it
But
grows.
still no nail polish yet?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Just keep on letting that stuff work.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, yeah, that's good. And then by summer, maybe I'll be ready.
Yeah.
We were early, and so we drove down there, and Tony said, well, maybe we should go eat someplace. And I said, well, Lori said there's like a mom and pop shop not too far next door, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But we didn't go there. We ended up pulling out the other way, and we went to a Mexican on the way home in Heartland and La Fiesta, which was good. But I saw in town, when we went that way at the church, there's like a brewery or restaurant there.
Mm-hmm.
Is that any good?
You know, I don't go there because everything that they make is smoked, and I'm allergic to smoked stuff.
Okay, yeah, because it's like a barbecue. Okay.
Yeah. It's like, and if I eat anything that is smoked, I get a headache.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
So you think another 6 weeks that I should get my appointment again?
So this doesn't hurt?
No.
Okay.
No. It's always this one that I have a little trouble with, on the far left. But even today when you were cutting it, I didn't feel it so bad.
This one?
No, on this
Oh,
one.
okay.
Yeah, that one's not. But that'll get your eye out.
Yep.
When we left, you know, the sun was just kind of behind the clouds a little bit. It was blue sky. It was a pretty day. And then all of a sudden, you know, it seems like South Carolina would have a lot too. I mean, if you don't have the bad, like hurricane stuff, the tropical stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what happened there. It looks like I just. Do you know where that one, this looks like a outlet. It's by Lee Road. It's kind of between here and like Heartland or something. Is it no?
I don't know.
What city is that? Brighton, no? It's called the Lee, by Lee Road. When you
It
go
might be
there-
Brighton.
I think it might be. There's so many. kind of soapy stuff in this water, or is it just water?
No, there's two kinds of different soaks in it.
Okay. It does feel good. So it doesn't look ingrown or anything, does it?
No, the edges are lifted up, so they're not pressing into the skin anymore like they were. You got a lot of new growth back there, which is good.
Different.
We're adding some cabinets here and there for more storage.
Oh man, that's what I need. I have stuff out in the garage. Because my husband likes to cook. And certain pan for her spaghetti, certain pan for the fish, certain thing. We have a lot of that stuff outside because my kids are grown. I mean, I don't know anybody else at home. So I'm trying to get rid of stuff too. Little piles, one for my sister, one for my other sister, one for my daughter. And my kids don't want stuff. They're both like minimalist. They're like, we don't want anything, but I just want her a brush. She likes that wet brush it's called. She loves that. She said it detangles her hair so easily.
Yeah. It does.
Are you guys doing the demo or something else? So the lady that does the eyebrows, her name is what, Linda?
Mary.
Oh, Mary.
Mary. Yes, Mary is like family. She's worked here for 15 years.
Hard to get employees like that. You know what I mean? Just loyal and family, like you said.
Yep. Our employees tend to stay a long time.
Instead of moving it off, and they said no, actually it's better if you just let it run than if you do it off, on, off, on, off, on. So, and it took a good full day, but not through the night. We turned it off and then we started it again. Another 6 months, and he said, well, by that time it's going to be, you know, fall. Yeah. So they come out and did it, so we got to enjoy it. And then the water trucks were behind like 2 months. You know, we had to start fresh. And so the guy that did our pool, him and his wife said, you know what, just do.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.